Diane has $8,000 to invest. She invests part of her money in a money market fund earning 13% simple interest, and the rest in an investment fund earning 8% simple interest. If she earns $950 in interest in 1 year, how much did she invest in each fund? This is a word problem involving simple interest. In order to solve it, we need to set up an algebraic equation that will allow us to first solve the amount earned at 13% simple interest, and from there determine the amount invested at 8%. Here's how we set it up. Let x equal the amount invested at 13%. X is the amount invested at 13%. We know that she's investing some part of her $8,000 at 13%, so the rest of her money must be being invested at 8%. Therefore, 8,000 minus x will be the expression for the amount invested at 8%. We also know that Diane earns $950 in interest in 1 year. That's the total amount earned. Therefore, I can say that the amount invested at 13%, which we'll call 0.13x, plus the amount invested at 8%, 0.08 times 8,000 minus x is equal to the total amount of her investment, $950. Now we need to solve the equation. Point 13x plus, now I'll distribute 0.08 through my parentheses, multiplying 0.08 times 8,000, which gives me 640, and then multiplying 0.08 times x, minus 0.08x, equals $950. Now you'll notice that when I set up the equation, I used decimals for my percentages. And that's what you'll always want to do when you're solving these types of algebra word problems involving simple interest. You may be given a percent with the percent symbol in your problem, but you want to always convert it to decimal form when you construct your equation. Okay, so now I need to combine my like terms. 0.13 minus 0.08. That gives me 0.05x plus 640 equals 950. From here, I need to continue to combine like terms. So I'm going to subtract 640 from both sides. And now I have 0.05x equals 310. My final step is to divide 0.05 from both sides. And that will give me my solution for x, which is 6,200. This tells me that Diane invested $6,200 at 13% simple interest. $6,200 at 13%. That means that she took the remainder and invested it at 8%. So 8,000 minus 6,200 equals 1,800, and that's the amount invested at 8%. And that's our solution to our problem.